going to be a lot of vibrations, but still I can see my um, front end connections. Let's go ahead and drive. Okay, after thinking a lot, came to a conclusion maybe this U-joint is the one making noise. It sounds like a rubber noise, but I'm not sure. The boot doesn't look like it's worn out, because if I see in the video, it doesn't move. Um, so one thing I can think about is the steering stabilizer, since it may be rubbing to my track bar. Um, that could be a reason, or else I can't think about anything which is making that kind of a squeaky noise. I thought it should be a rubber, but looks like the sound does not match with any of the metal movement or the rubber movement. So let me go ahead and spray some dry lube on this U joint. Then let's take it for a drive and see whether it resolves. So that's how I'm going to try to see which part is the problem. Spray dry lube on each part and see which one is causing that issue. Then let's think about permanent solution for that. So first thing I'm doing is this part going to spray. Oh yeah, I can see some rubber damage over there. I didn't know there is rubber inside that. So you guys can tell me what is that. Let me zoom and show you. Some light. Let me see whether I can capture this. Okay, see that, the rubber? I didn't know that had a rubber. And you can see the crack over there. So maybe that is causing the issue. Not sure though. So this is the CRC dry lube, PTFE lube, dry lube, which I use for my heim joints, because you can see my heim joints is also getting rusted here. Let's go ahead and spray this. All four corners has some rubber on it. Okay, this side was done perfect. The other side, see that? All these four corners had some rubber. So could be that is the reason. Turning my car around this round tunnel like a circle. If it comes, then the noise is gone. See that? So we found the issue. Okay, that's how you find the issue. So if you suspect on some place, spray some dry lube or some oil, that's fine, because you will be replacing that component anyway. Then if you find the issue, you can think about permanent fix for that part. So literally there was no noise. So the issue was the cracked rubbers on the U-joint, on the axle itself, axle shaft. So once I sprayed the dry lube, the axle shaft stopped making noise. So we know the issue is there. So I should see whether I can get the U-joint separately, or should I go ahead and replace the axle shaft itself completely. So that's what we need to think next for the permanent solution.